Well, we opened here in November of 1990. I worked as an associate doctor at Dr. Bill Cook's office in Shelby for a year. He kind of taught me the basics of kind of marketing and management type thing, because when I got out of school, I didn't know how that worked. So I've been in practice 20 years now, and I'm kind of, we're in the growth stage still, but I wanted to somehow give back to the community to try and promote wellness in our community, and I couldn't do it by myself, one person at a time. We're trying, we're doing a good job, but with the Healthy Michigan campaign, I can see how I can reach a lot more people much more quickly to make that more effective.
We see this as a really nice value-added service to our members, something that obviously nobody else in the community can offer. This is a honor that's been bestowed upon us as far as leading the community in the Get Healthy Michigan program. So we see that as something that we can offer to our members on top of a membership that helps guide them, hold them accountable, and then also bring them a part of the community and make sure that everybody's on the same page.
We are very excited.
Very excited, yep. From the day that you guys came in here, we knew it was something we wanted to be a part of. We talked to the staff, and everybody's really thrilled about it. We're really excited about getting this going.
Get Healthy Michigan, I think, is a really good program for the community. I think that the involvement of Powerhouse Gym, Italia Gardens, and Dr. Caruso and us, it's a nice holistic approach to bringing people the idea of getting out, get moving, eat healthy, take supplements. It's a great program. It's a good idea, community-oriented. It'd be great for our community.
I'm really honored and glad I was able to be selected as a Get Healthy Michigan Wellness Center. It's nice because I can see that the whole goal is to really brand chiropractic, not brand my office. So by branding chiropractic into wellness, we're going to make everybody better who are Get Healthy Michigan members, better offices, better wellness centers. By having this Get Healthy brand, it's going to make a huge difference for chiropractic in Michigan and eventually, I'm sure, nationwide. So it's pretty excited about that.
We really believe in the rewards card program. What we've done is we've taken a step up and we've offered them a 1-month unlimited simple access membership. And what that basically does is it gives them access to the club for that month. What we want them to do is try us out, kick our tires, see what we have here. Have them take a look at our programs, our nutrition accountability meetings, our boot camp programs, our weight loss programs. Give it a shot, try it. Because just coming in for a week, 3 days, 4 or 5 days isn't going to really give you an idea of how I can fit this in my life. So basically that rewards program gives them time to come in here and see how they can fit it in their lives and when they can fit it in. Yeah, that rewards card program, what we're really excited about is not only are we looking at that here for the locals, Lake Orion Oxford community, but this is a statewide program and initiative. And they can come here and that rewards program card is accepted anywhere in the state of Michigan on these Get Healthy Michigan participants. And we see that as something important that we like.
Over the past 22 years, we've accumulated a lot of patients, of course. Looking at our stats, though, our referral index was lower than it likely to be. So our goal is to raise that index by getting more patients in the office, by using the Gift of Health program. In our Gift of Health package here, our alliance partners have offered gift certificates. Okay, our office provides an initial computer analysis and chiropractic evaluation. Powerhouse Gym has provided a $100 gift certificate for 1-month membership at their facility. Next one here, we have Lucky's Health Food. They provided a $10 gift certificate for initial purchase of vitamins in their facility there. And then, of course, Italia Gardens also provided a $10 gift card towards a restaurant, which this will entice patients, and community members to go and use these gift cards to have great savings and of course, become Get Healthy Michigan Rewards members.
And we have our promotional stuff out in our lobby, the stickers, the signs, and we have your logo on our menu now.
Really importantly, as part of being committed to Get Healthy Michigan campaign, it's basically a branding effort. So it's important to have everybody have the same exact branding items, which are the window decals, which makes a huge difference. It's a presence in your community. People can recognize you as a wellness center. The banners is important because, one, it looks very professional. People ask questions. What is this all about? And it's a good kind of entry into explaining Get Healthy Michigan to patients coming to the office. And when people come off the streets who aren't patients who are coming off the Get Healthy Michigan campaign, they know they're in the right place.
So it's important to have the signage up, the signage in the window, the signage on the counter, the sign-up sheet on the counter where the customer will see it at the point of checkout, and the employee will not forget to invite them to the dinner talk, because that's our goal, is to get them to come and bring their friends and family to the dinner talk.
One of the most exciting parts of the Get Healthy program, in my opinion, is the Get Healthy dinner talk. And the whole talk is really geared towards teaching our community people about wellness. And what better person to do that than a chiropractor, since we are wellness experts. And after having patients who had been to the talk come for visits the following week, they're all were ecstatic about the talk. They thought it was a great talk, and they're excited about it and looking forward to refer friends. But really importantly is having the C.A.P, my C.A.P members referring non-patients to the dinner talk provides a better way of reaching out to the community of people that wouldn't be able to reach without the help of somebody else.
Yeah, basically what we do is we see the dinner talk, that program and the tickets as a value-added service. What we do is we take a look at what we call our starting point programs here. It's kind of like an orientation, but we want to really sit down and find out what people's goals are, make a recommendation as far as how we believe that they can make it to that goal the best and quickest way they can. But on top of that, when we meet with them and we really truly see that fitness is a part of their life, what we do is we usually would like to invite them in there, give that as a value-added service with that ticket talk, so they can bring their friends in, because we all like to work out with somebody else other than us. So again, we work out in groups, we do a lot of things in groups. With the dinner talks, we give that ticket out to somebody and it says bring yourself and some friends. It's very important to make sure that you emphasize that. Not only get you good food, but you also get some really good information to focus you, talk about stuff in education. Through education, you will build the reliability of the people that are part of the program, the understanding, the knowledge of that, but what it'll also do is it empower those people that are there to utilize the C.A.P program with the Alliance partners here and see how important it is. When you give them the tickets, work with them, get them online, sign them up right away. A lot of people need a little bit of a nudge to get them going, so that's a really good way to train the staff, make sure that it's important, get them in there on their starting point, make sure that they understand that this ticket and the dinner talk is important, and if necessary, which we recommend, is get them online right away and get them registered.
One of your most valuable assets for the Get Healthy Michigan program is having a strong C.A.P group, the Community Alliance Partners. And I am lucky to have 3 really strong partners. We have the Powerhouse Gym, Lucky's Health Food Store, Italia Gardens, and myself, of course. Okay, but that is very important because we're actually working as a team versus individuals. So when we talk about Get Healthy Michigan, we're talking about Get Healthy Michigan, Lake Orion. We're actually a team. We work together as a group. We're meeting monthly. We've chosen to meet after our dinner talks, so we've got time to meet together and discuss better ideas how to better improve our program for the following months. But having a strong C.A.P group is probably the most important part you can have to have a successful program in launching your awareness. Once you have a good, strong, established C.A.P group, the next goal is to get more members, community members, part of your Get Healthy Michigan center. And to do that, the best way is you want to get to 1,000 members ideally. Once you have 1,000 members, it makes it a lot easier to make that Get Healthy talk really explode.
You've got to make sure that not only is your staff committed about what you believe in, and if you believe in what you're doing in your community, the Get Healthy Michigan program is extremely important. During your staff training sessions, set a specific time where you can go over this with them, how they can walk them through into the registration and into the program. Very simple, it sounds like. Understand that sometimes it's a little harder to get it worked into the process, but if you spend that time with your staff during those staff training sessions that you should be doing at least once a month, that you can make this a very easy transition.
The training is very important. We talk to our staff weekly. We have little trainings, tell them about how to promote it and what it's all about, so they know when they go to their table and the customer is asking, what about this Healthy Michigan? When they see the signs, they know exactly what it is. They don't have to, well, I'm not sure. They can tell their customers, and they're excited about it. And we talk to our kitchen, and they're excited about it even. So anytime we do stuff like this, it's the staff needs to know.
After having some successful talks, our next goal is to get the Get Healthy Trails involved here in Lake Orion. And I know that our fitness center is looking forward to sponsoring that event and making it happen here in Lake Orion. And we're going to try to make that event be successful. And the ultimate goal is with the Get Healthy Trails is to get more referrals into the Get Healthy Michigan program and having more clients being able to access our database. After getting our Get Healthy Trails established, our next goal would want to be is to definitely get a Get Healthy Day in Lake Orion, because that'll make a huge difference for our community. Not only make it more fun and active, but broaden the presence of Get Healthy Michigan throughout our community for sure. And that'll be a great event to be able to sponsor in our community. So that's our next goal after the trails.
Our major goal here, obviously, is to get our community healthy. And to do this, we're very excited to bring in these people. We should see minimum of 50 people this year as a direct influx from this program. So we're committed, our staff is committed. I know the Get Healthy staff and the program is set up to be successful. We're really excited to take a look at getting those people in here and getting them ready to rock and roll.
The great thing about this program that benefits us is we're going to get a lot of repeat customers. People are going to come into the restaurant, maybe a lot of people that haven't been here before, and they're going to recommend us to friends, and they might come back to the next dinner talk. And it's a great referral program. It can help us, it can help everyone that's involved, and so good for us, good for the community.
The ultimate goal with Get Healthy Michigan would be to spread the word about health and to get more people involved and more people aware in their health and their bodies, and to utilize the program with the holistic approach of having the 4 Alliance members and 4 different aspects of health: the exercising, the eating and supplements, and chiropractic care.
I'm really excited about the Get Healthy Michigan program, and I'm all in on the basis of I'm dedicated, committed towards making it happen. And fortunately, Get Healthy Michigan has a great system to follow. They have a cookbook type format. If you follow that system, it's going to work. It cannot work. It's up to your commitment level and your input into that system to make it work and make it happen for yourself. Get healthy, Michigan!
Get healthy, Michigan!
Get healthy, Michigan!
Get healthy, Michigan! Get healthy, Michigan! Get healthy, Michigan!